Alright, let's be real. You want to animate. You open Blender and then 300 buttons, 7 open tabs, and you're stuck. You scroll, procrastinate, maybe cry a little. What if I told you there's a way to animate faster than you ever thought possible? Not a trick, not a cheat, just a different way to think. Let's go. Listen, I've been there. You are trying to animate something simple. A character blinks, maybe walks, and suddenly it feels like you're coding a rocket launch. Blender's powerful, yeah, but it can also be overwhelming. You know what slows you down the most? Trying to make everything perfect from the start? That kills speed and worse, kills motivation. Here's the shift. Instead of focusing on how good it looks, focus on how fast you can bring the idea to life. Ever heard of blocking? Yeah, those chunky pose-to-pose steps. That's your best friend. Get your key poses down. Boom, boom, boom. Done in 10 minutes. Forget about details. Just ask, can I feel the motion? That's where the real animation starts. Motion first. Polish later. Here's what I do, and it works every single time. When I'm stuck or short on time. Step 1. Pick one tiny idea. Don't animate a whole movie. Just one moment, one emotion. Step 2. Use reference. Film yourself. You move way better than your memory does. Step 3. Block out 4 to 6 key poses. That's your story, the spine of your animation. Step 4. Play with timing. Use stepped keys. It will look weird, but it gives you total control. And step 5, polish the magic spots. The eyes, the hands, that tiny head tilt. That's where the soul lives. People think you need to master everything. The graph editor, the dope sheet, physics, the constraints. Nah, you just need to get one moment right. One story, one gesture, one truth. I have seen animators animate full emotions with stick figures. You know why it works? Because animation isn't about realism, it's about feeling. And that's what makes people stop scrolling and watch again. If this helped you, don't just close this tab and forget. Open Blender, block something right now, like right now. And hey, bookmark this video. Come back to it when you're stuck. Let this be your reset button. And if you want more Blender tips, short film stuff, or just raw creator honesty, you know what to do. Like and subscribe. Let's build this journey together. And bonus, watch this again when you feel lost. We all need a little creative fire sometimes.